Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. We are on our way to North Arkansas, where I'm going to be riding the Panigale V2 through the Ozarks. This is my first time really adventuring out far from the home with a bike. It is about a 7.5 hour drive for me. It's a little bit different. Usually when I have the bike in the back of the bed, it's for the track, and there are a few guys from the Houston Ducati group. We're all driving up to the north. We're just gonna go enjoy the hill country up there, and I don't even know really what to expect, but I am hella excited. Definitely gonna bring you guys along, get some sweet riding footage for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy this kind of vloggy-ish style of a video. Kind of starting to do these a little bit more often. I'm enjoying just kind of picking up the camera and talking. Something really cool, guys, I'm doing while I'm on the drive, given I have the power boost with the Pro Power on board. I have that turned on, so I am essentially powering the tailgate here with this F-150. In doing so, I am able to charge the Panigale battery with this little trickle charger connected to the generator. All right. We are back this time in Arkansas with the Houston Ducati group. Everybody here is absolutely awesome, super welcoming. They do this every year. They come out here to Arkansas and ride the Ozarks. I've never been in like a motorcycle group, nor I've never even done a group ride of this many people.
So this is going to be a weekend thing. We are riding, today is Saturday, and we're riding about 8 hours of riding around, or about maybe 7 hours, total of 300 miles through the Ozarks. The most I've done on a motorcycle is, or at least the Ducati, is 4 hours. So I am excited to see what I'm going to feel like afterwards. However, I did do an upgrade. Some of you guys may have watched that video of the Bonamici rear sets, and I can already tell just from riding it for, call it 30 miles now, it is absolutely awesome in terms of posture and everything. So don't feel like I'm putting all my weight on the throttle, which is super nice. Let's go ahead and attempt to shut this. Hopefully that's shut. Well, hopefully this view is good for you guys. I have no clue what it looks like because I haven't really tested it out, but from what I can remember, at least on the Harley, it looked awesome. But back to, I guess, my posture on the motorcycle. Before I did the Bonamici, I'm 5'5", guys, so I'm not, I'm not really tall or anything. Well, my legs were just not high enough up at the tank, so it was really tough to really hug the tank and get a good grip, and I felt like I was constantly burning my legs. For those of you that own a Panigale know that these things, at least the V2, gets extremely hot, like way too hot. So obviously right now beautiful weather outside. It was like 60 when we started riding, so we'll see what it's like as it gets through the weekend. The good thing is it's supposed to be pretty overcast for the most of the weekend, even tomorrow, which blue skies would be nice, but I think staying cool and warm, I think, is maybe a little bit more important. I haven't done a ride like this ever in my life. However, the closest to this is Sam Houston National Park up in Magnolia, Conroe area. So I am extremely excited for this. This is just beautiful views, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't know if I'm going to be talking the whole time, but just kind of talking in my thoughts as I'm riding. This thing's got some power. Such a nice sight, seeing a bunch of Ducatis in front of you. Absolutely awesome. Trying not to get behind, because as soon as I do that, I don't want to play catch up. that was fun. Adrenaline is indeed pumping. So one thing that I am not really used to is the elevation changes. So to me, that's something that I'm kind of working on. Just making sure I'm in a little bit of a higher gear when needed.
All right, we are on the way back home from Arkansas. Currently, I've been driving for 5 hours and 26 minutes. Spent 2 days riding with the Houston Ducati group, as mentioned earlier, and it was an absolute blast, and I will honestly say the best experience I've ever had on a motorcycle on the street. Not only that, but having like a mentor in a way while out there riding. I would say about 4 of the guys there, if not 5, used to be like pro X racers, and just, you know, learning from these guys, as well as like the leader of the group, being able to put such a nice pace for the rest of the pack in the back, at a safe pace as well, I think was freaking awesome, really important. I'd never experienced roads that were such like elevation changing and tight corners, you know, 10-mile-an-hour like hairpins essentially. Like, it was just an absolute blast. So I didn't really like talk much in like motovlog as I was riding, because it just took so much concentration at our pace of where we were going. So I just really wanted to kind of end the video here and give you guys my last personal thoughts. If you guys have a motorcycle of any type, really, and have never been to north of Arkansas, Russellville, and have never taken, you know, your bike to essentially the Ozarks National Forest, I highly suggest you do. It was awesome. It was awesome. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog that I did, and I'll be putting out the rest of the videos of just riding the motorcycle. You guys know what to do. Like the video if you did. Comment your thoughts below. Of course, subscribe for more. See you guys in the next one.